Well, it's back to the cabin, guys, after a couple of days in the city. And it's absolutely gorgeous out here. Look at how green it is. Yeah. Dogs are pretty happy to be here, but it's really warm. It's warming up to, I don't know what, almost 30 Celsius today. ATV's all packed up. Hopefully nothing's going to fall out. Got everything I wanted on. And yeah, in case anybody asks, most of the weight is at the front of the trailer. You can't really see it, but there's a big jug of water under there. And the trailer is tied on as well. So we're going to put on our bug jackets, even though the bugs aren't bothering us here. We're going to put on our bug jacket and head on in. I'm not going to put my head net on just yet. I'm going to see how bad it gets in there, and then we'll see. But right here, there's hardly anything bothering me. The odd deer fly. And I don't know what these little things are. Non-bitey things. Anyway, let's go. Buzzing me, but the black flies are mostly gone. And this forest is in full bloom, baby. You ever seen so much green? That's amazing. Big oak tree. You tired? I mean, shit. Are you hot, girl? Well, we made it. Cabin look good. No, you stay outside. That was actually kind of cool in here. Alright, she's a bit of a mess, but she's okay. 1:45. We're sitting at floating. Oh. A bit cooler in there. It's cool. Fans on and the charge controller. And the scenery is still here, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. About 24 Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit. Yeah, looking good. You got a little wet, that's good. Cooled down? Yeah, little girl? Did you cool down? So guys, I got the the food put away in the fridge, and I brought everything else in, but I haven't really done much. I have to make my bed because I took my bed sheets home for the week, or for the week essentially. But that can wait for a little bit. Anyway, I'm having a lime and lager. Cheers, everybody. Oh, I can't believe how nice it is right now. And not a single bug bothering me, but I'm sure there's a few around. And I'm thinking the mosquitoes will come out later tonight, but that's fine. Right now it's just beautiful to sit out here and enjoy this. And everything's so green right now. Like, I thought it was green when I left, but we had that little bit of rain the day that I left, and I guess that just perked everything right up. Just loving it. And it's kind of nice that it's cooler inside the cabin than outside. I guess that insulation is working to my benefit right now. Because there's no way I'm gonna ever put any AC in here. So I think if I open the windows at night and close them in the morning, then that's about as good as it's gonna get. It doesn't feel like 30 Celsius out here. I guess it's not, because we looked at the thermometer earlier. Anyway, so just a short video to show you guys, my trip back into the cabin. Some people think that, all I ever have on that trail are adventures, where I get stuck or something. But I don't film most of my trips. Most of my trips are just like that one. Pretty easy going, straight through. Take it nice and easy, so hopefully I don't break any eggs, and I didn't today. But pretty regular stuff. I'd like to improve the trail someday, but I can make minor improvements to it, and I will when I have time. Junebug's inside lying down. She likes doing that. After we've been away for a couple of days, we come back to the cabin. You know, they've had a good run in, and then she likes to go on the couch and just take a nap. Willow, on the other hand, is racing around out there. Well, not racing around. She's prowling around, let's say, just to see what's new. She's got to keep track of everything, right? Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this for a few minutes, and then I'm probably going to edit this video together and see if I can get it up today. Later on today being Thursday, because I got another video I want to do for tomorrow, Friday, about my buddy Sean James. It should be fun. Should be a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. Let's do a thank you up here, and then we'll do a subscribe right here, and then we'll do a thing up here, a most recent video, and then a thing down here being another one that you might like to watch. And we'll see you in the next video. See you guys. Oh god, that's good.